Hello beautiful, so I will be sharing with you how I make my 4 favorite DIY hair mask. So I'm going to be using a butternut squash, and this is it. I'm just going to remove the peeling. Yes, sometimes you can put this butternut squash into the air fryer or into the oven just to make it more softer before using it. So I'm just taking out the inside part and the outside part out before boiling it. I'm going to boil it for like 30 minutes. Let it boil. When you put the spoon into it, when it like soft, then you get it out. So long it's soft, which means it's ready for you to make your mask. Alright guys, part of this video is a throwback video. Let me explain it to you real quick. So I recorded part of this video about 2 or 3 years ago, and I wanted to do this butternut squash DIY hair mask, kind of like an updated version for you guys. And I didn't want it to like redo the video, the whole thing, so I just went back and grabbed part of my old video and just add it together. That's why you see like part of the butternut squash is looking more orange and the other one is looking like light orange. I'm just going to put it into that my KitchenAid blender. Then I am also going to add in some fresh aloe vera gel and also plain Greek yogurt. And after that, I'm gonna blend it real good. After I am done straining it, then I'm gonna add in my favorite tropical oil. Mix it together well. So this is a hair mask, but it's gonna look more like hair. Shampoo and remove the knot and tangle from my hair yesterday. There's a video on this channel on me removing the knot and tangle. Yes, it makes it a whole lot easier to work with natural hair, especially if there is no knots and there is no tangle. So I put my hair into 4 sections. I'm gonna spray a little bit of water on each section while I apply the product on my hair. Work that product through my hair real good. Then I'm gonna take my shower cap or plastic bag and wrap it around my hair and let the product stay in my hair for like 30 minutes to 1 hour. Yes, after that, then I am going to rinse out the product. I sometimes go in with like cold wash cleanser. Yes, cold wash cleanser, or I sometimes just go in with regular conditioner just to remove whatsoever like excess product that may leave in my hair after I rinse it out. So guys, make sure to follow the instruction in this video and you're gonna enjoy this hair mask. After I've finished doing my hair, washing my hair, rinsing out the product, make sure I dry my hair with my t-shirt, my old t-shirt, before going in with my leave-in conditioner. Alright, beautiful, I am glad you made it this far of this video. If you didn't see my leave-in conditioner video already, make sure to click the link ahead in this video and you're gonna see how I apply my DIY leave-in conditioner on my natural hair. So check it out. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.